Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever joined a Zoom, Google Meet or Microsoft Teams meeting and realized your camera angle, lighting or appearance was not quite right? Instead of opening photo booth just to check yourself, there is a much faster solution. It's called Hand Mirror, a lightweight Mac app that lets you instantly preview your webcam with just one click. In this video, I will show you what Hand Mirror is, how to install it, how to use it, and whether it's worth downloading in 2026. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Hand Mirror app, download, and press enter. Now you can see here Hand Mirror for Mac downloaded from up to down for free. Click on this link. Now you can see here get the latest version. Click on it. Now scroll down. Now you can see here the download button. It is 6.3 MB only. Click on it and wait for the download to start. As you can see, it is started. Let the download be done first. As you can see, the download is finished. Now let's install this app. Simply double click on this PNG file first. Now you can see here the installer is open. Just simply drag this to the application folder and that's it. Now simply close this. Now you can see here the application is successfully installed. Now let's know how to use this. Click on this app first. Click on open. Now you can see here the app icon on the menu bar. Okay, click the hand mirror icon in the menu bar. Okay, a live preview from your webcam appears instantly. Now you can check your camera framing, fix your hair or clothes, improve your lighting, make sure the camera lens is clean. Confirming your webcam is working before joining a meeting. Whenever you are done, simply click outside the window or close it. The app immediately stops using your camera. It's fast, clean and does not clutter your desktop. And if you want to quit this app, just simply keep your cursor on this app and simply click on it. Now you can see here this arrow. Click on it and then click on quit. That's it. Your app will remove from the menu bar. Let's know its pros and cons. It is free to download, extremely lightweight, very easy to use, opens instantly, perfect before online meeting. These are pros. And let's know its cons. Does not record video, no filters or effects, not intended for taking photos, only designed for quick camera previews. If you're looking for a webcam recorder, apps like OBS Studio or QuickTime Player are better choices. And that's how you use Hand Mirror on Mac. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell for more Mac tips, tutorials and useful apps. Thank you for watching.